Guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about like 3 mistakes that you should avoid while you're starting with your affiliate marketing business in 2021. So this is almost end of 2020 now, so you got to be preparing for 2021. So if you're looking to get started with affiliate marketing in 2021, so you got to focus on these 3 mistakes, like you should avoid them. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be documenting my journey on this channel. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, be sure to check the first link in the description. And also I have a free training from my mentor where you can actually get free affiliate marketing training for free. So be sure to check that out. And coming back to today's topic, like the number one mistake like many people do is like they do not create content. So I know this may not sound sexy, but like this is the thing that you should be focusing on, because without content you will always find yourself like running behind people, persuading people, because you may think like I have a product like that can sell actually better, so I'm gonna run few ads, or I'm gonna buy solo ads, and I'll be making money. That's true, that's very well and good, like you can make some money with the ads, but like how long you're going to keep on running ads? What happens tomorrow? Like if your ad campaign shuts down tomorrow, if your Facebook bans your ad account, or like there are multiple factors, like you're putting a lot of things out of your control. So that is the most that is a disaster. Like you're sleeping tonight, you're making $10,000 per month, and tomorrow your ad account goes down again, you have lost everything that you have built. So it's very important that you should create content. With content, like as I always speak, like content creates, like people buy from people. That's the number one thing, yeah, that you should remember. And people buy from people like who are actually helping them. Like you cannot directly go and help everybody. Definitely you can help them through your content. It could be in the form of video, blog post, Facebook, Instagram, whichever platform you want to build. Like you can pick up one platform, you can start producing content. So once you start producing content, helping certain group of people, they actually feel like you're providing value to them, and no matter whatever you're going to sell, like they are going to come and buy from you. Here you're not going behind people, people are coming to you. So that's the beauty of creating content. So many people think like they get stuck in this content creation thing, and even some people think that there are too many people creating content, why should I create again? So I will never be able to beat them. So trust me, even though so many people are creating content online on YouTube or wherever you see, still that is only 1%, I would say, because there are a lot of people who are not doing it. And once you start producing content, like you will see change in yourself, and people will start following you, because there are a lot of people who are still looking to solve their problem, and you're providing the solution to them. So number one priority, like you should be producing content. And not producing content, like do not make this mistake, just persuading people, like talking to different people. So do not make this mistake, start producing content. This will help you in the long run. I'm not talking about short term, because right now I'm shooting this video, this may not bring me results today, but definitely it's going to bring results in the long run. So be sure to check the create content. Number 2 is like creating an email list. So this was a mistake like most people do, and because once we get started with online, like all we want is somebody coming to our affiliate link and just sign up through our link, and we make that commission. So what happens, like if you just build that landing page in between and you collect their email address, you can always follow up. The importance of email list is because right now I'm building this channel on YouTube. What happens tomorrow if YouTube bans my channel? Because there are a lot of things that YouTube is bringing up, Google is bringing up, Facebook is bringing up, and some countries banned TikTok. TikTok is banned in India right now. So many things can happen, like it is out of your control. So even though you're doing number one thing, that is content creation, right, but if you're not building your online asset, that is your email list, like you're putting a lot of things again out of your control. So email list is very important. So what you can do is you can just simply focus on lead generation for a few days. Like once you build your list, like 1,000 or 2,000, what you can do is you can just keep on sending every single day morning, get up and write a nice email and send them, provide value, build trust with your email list. And once the chemistry is right, you can make any offer you want. Maybe you're promoting XYZ product, tomorrow you want to product any other product, you can still go ahead and promote with your list. So email list is a very big online asset that you will be building online. So you got to keep on focusing building your list. So once you have that list, like you will see massive results. You can build 6 to 7 figures online. Like this is what people say and this is what happens. So email list, money lies in the list. They don't say just like that, it actually happens. So you got to concentrate on building email list. So that is the step number 2. Like you don't want to avoid on actually I'm telling what you should do, but if you're diverting from these points, like you should you should follow these points in order to. And number 3 is like people get distracted a lot, and this is third thing that you want to avoid. Distraction can happen online because with the amount of information that is available online, it's very easy to get distracted. So what happens, like you get started with affiliate marketing today, and a couple of months you're doing everything right, but you're not seeing any results. And someday some other guy comes and he tells that he's crushing with ecom, and you jump on ecom and you do it for 2 months, and again you're not seeing any results. Again somebody's some cryptocurrency or bitcoin, whatever thing that is going on, you jump to that business model. So you're switching from business model to business model every now and then, so you're not really building any momentum at all. So even though you're doing number 1 and number 2 thing properly, if you're not focused on one thing, like you're not able to see results. So you got to stick to what you're passionate about. You got to decide what you're going to do in the long run, so you're going to stick with it. So if you do this thing simple, like many people overcomplicate business things. It could be simple as that, like you create a video every single day, you send one email every day, and you start building your list. So these are simple things that once you follow for a longer time, you will see massive results in your online business. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. And if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, be sure to check the first link in the description. And if you want a free training, be sure to, I think it is on third link in the description. And I'll leave my email address in the description if you want to connect with me personally. And if you're enjoying my content, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.